Why the PlanetSustain Sustainability Quiz matters. The PlanetSustain Sustainability Quiz is designed to spark curiosity and build awareness among students about climate change, responsible consumption, and environmental action. By engaging students through interactive questions and real-world challenges, the quiz encourages them to think critically and take simple steps toward a more sustainable future. While our planet struggles, many remain unaware of the impact their daily actions have on the environment. This video highlights the lack of awareness around carbon footprints and why caring for Earth can't wait. Whether you're an individual, a student, an SME, or a business, do you know your carbon footprint? If you don't track it, you won't have the data you need to make informed changes and reduce your consumption. It's simple, easy, and suitable even for young students. Let us understand the basics of carbon footprint, which measures the total greenhouse gas emissions from our activities and their impact on the environment. A carbon footprint measures the greenhouse gases, GHGs, released by a person, product, activity, or organization. It helps us understand our impact on the environment and identify ways to reduce it by taking simple steps in our daily lives and business activities. The PlanetSustain mobile app helps track energy consumption, such as electricity, water, transport, and travel, and provides insights into Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions along with the associated carbon footprint. Tracking is the first step toward reducing usage. Without data, it's impossible to effectively cut emissions and move toward net zero goals. The app can be used by branches, campuses, suppliers, employees, and individuals to enter their consumption data. Step-by-step instructions for participation. 1. App installation and login. Download the PlanetSustain app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Register and log in using membership ID and password. A login at least 3 days before the quiz to ensure everything works properly. 2. Get familiar with the app. Explore and understand the basic features of the app needed for the quiz. 5. Quiz rules. Follow ethical guidelines. Do not take help from parents or others during the quiz. Students who won cash prizes in the past 6 months are not eligible for prizes. InvaSystems reserves the right to contact the student to confirm that they personally participated in the quiz. This is to ensure fairness and maintain a level playing field for all participants. 6. Read important instructions. Carefully read the PDF document it shared with you, and also available in the PlanetSustain app. No additional help will be given for things already explained in the document. Support. Technical support from InvaSystems is available only up to 2 days before the quiz. Students should submit any support requests either through their school teacher or via the technical support feature in the PlanetSustain app. How to participate in the quiz. Watch this section of the video on how you can participate in the PlanetSustain app-based quiz. 1. Open the PlanetSustain mobile app, log in, and from the side menu, click on PlanetSustain News and Videos to view more details about the scheduled quiz you wish to participate in. It will include basic information, a PDF document with more details, and the terms and conditions. 2. Next, access the Support and General Utilities link from the side menu. If you are eligible to participate in the quiz icon will be displayed on this page. 3. When you click the quiz icon, the app will display the quiz details banner along with other information such as basic details, any attached video link, and the related PDF document. It will also show the quiz start time and quiz end time. 4. On the scheduled date and time, click on the quiz icon to view the quiz details. The start icon will appear. Click it to begin answering the questions. The page will also display the total number of questions and the time limit for each question. You cannot go back to previous questions. If a question is not answered within the time limit, it will automatically move to the next one. Do not close the quiz page while you are taking the quiz. Once you have completed all the questions, the quiz will close and a confirmation message will be displayed. To ensure your answers are submitted to the server, click the push button to view the status. If your mobile data connectivity is not active, try clicking the button again to push the data by the next day. 7. Quiz answers data submission and server processing. If the user's mobile device has not submitted the answers, it will wait one more day before attempting to push the data again. The server will then run a program to evaluate the answers and rank the participants. A pass mark of 40% or higher is required to be ranked as a winner. If you answer 40% or more questions correctly, you will receive a ranking certificate. Otherwise, you will receive a participation certificate. Within 3 to 5 days from the quiz date, the ranking and e-certificate will be available on the quiz page. Simple registration. 1. Download and install the PlanetSustain app from Google Play or the App Store. 2. Open the app and click Free Sign Up on the login page, no credit card required. 3. Select Yes or No for a subscription code. If you don't have a subscription code provided by your school, college, or company contact, select No. 4. Enter the first few characters of your country name to select your country. 5. Choose the free intro, 1-month option based on your category and fill in a few basic details. 6. Check your inbox or spam/junk folder for an email from adminga@invasystems.com. 7. Verify your email to receive your membership ID, password, and a PDF user manual within 5 minutes. The PlanetSustain app is intuitive and easy to use. Copy and paste or enter the membership ID and password on the app login page, then click Login. This will open basic settings where you can set the unit of measurement according to your country. Select the appropriate option and submit. Once submitted, these settings cannot be changed. If you need to make changes, you must uninstall and reinstall the app.